My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2020 Ford Focus ST line. This vehicle has done just over 33,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. On the steering wheel we can see features such as cruise control and voice control. On the screen we can get access to Apple CarPlay, Valet mode, Ford Pass Connect, My Vehicle, Bluetooth and navigation. If we put the vehicle into reverse we can see that it comes with parking sensors. We have heated seats on either side. And the choice to choose from 3 different driving modes. So you have Sport, Normal and Eco. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.